Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add beneficiaries to your account in Citibank. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Citibank website right here, citi.com if you're not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page from where we can get started, and the first thing we need to do is to log into our Citibank account. So if you do not already have an online account, what you can do is open an account if you need one. If you have an account but not an online one, what you can do is just activate one by clicking the activate button. So once you have gotten your account, now we can log in normally. So go ahead and log in, and after you have logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page. That is going to be your dashboard where you can take a look at your balance, your payments, and so on. All that is going to be available, and now we can get started with using it itself. So how can we get started naming beneficiaries? As you can see right here on the official Citi Benefits website, we can take a look at how we can get started naming our primary beneficiaries and secondary ones as well. You can name them right here for various benefits like basic life insurance, basic insurance, and so on, and all of that is available right here. So how do we name them? Basically, to name and or update your beneficiaries, you're going to follow the steps right here for each benefit. Before you add a new beneficiary, you want to have the following information about them, such as their full name, date of birth, phone number, and so on, and all of that is available. So if you want to add one, you can click right here to take a look at how you can get started. So basically, you're going to visit your benefits resources by clicking health insurance on your main page of Citibank once you log in, and you can get started in the homepage on clicking beneficiary information and links under resources. From there, you can get started with adding your beneficiary names by following the steps right here. So for any kind of insurance that you need, you can take a look at this article right here to take a look at the steps you need for every kind of beneficiary plan right here, and how to get started with adding them and how to add profiles. You have it all in detailed instructions right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.